Photography and videography, two powerful ways to capture moments. But which one is better? Let's find out. Photography is capturing a single moment in time. It's about freezing an emotion, a scene, or an action in just one frame. On the other hand, videography is about motion. It tells a story through a series of moving pictures capturing sound, movement, and time. Photography is great when you want to capture one powerful image that speaks for itself. It's perfect for weddings, portraits, nature, and street photography. Photography is also easier to print, frame, and share on social media quickly. Videography is best when you want to show movement and tell a full story. It's used in weddings, documentaries, travel vlogs, and movies. Videos make people feel more connected. A speech, a baby's first steps, or an action scene. These moments need video. Photography needs a good camera, a lens, and sometimes lighting. You need to know about framing, focus, and lighting. Videography requires a camera, a stabilizer, a microphone, and sometimes extra lighting. You need skills in editing, storytelling, and sound recording. If you love capturing a single powerful moment, photography is for you. If you enjoy storytelling and movement, go for videography. Or why not both? Many creators today use both skills together. Both photography and videography are amazing ways to capture life's moments. It all depends on what you love to create. Which one do you prefer? Comment below. Thank you for watching.